Einleitung. Dental crowns are a common dental treatment that many people undergo at some point in their lives. They are used to restore a damaged tooth, strengthen a weak tooth, or improve the appearance of a tooth. However, the cost of dental crowns can vary greatly depending on where you are getting them done. In this article, we will compare dental crown prices in Europe with those in Turkey to help you make an informed decision about where to get your dental treatment. Dental crown prices in Europe. In Europe, the cost of dental crowns can vary significantly from country to country. In general, Northern European countries tend to have higher prices for dental treatments compared to Southern European countries. For example, in countries like Germany, the average cost of a dental crown can range from A500 to A1000 per tooth. In the UK, the cost can be even higher, ranging from A400 to A100 per tooth. These high prices in Europe can be attributed to the high cost of living and labor costs in these countries. Additionally, many European countries have strict regulations and standards for dental care, which can also contribute to the higher prices. Dental crown prices in Turkey. On the other hand, dental treatment in Turkey is known for being much more affordable compared to many European countries. Turkey has become a popular destination for medical tourism, including dental treatments, due to its high-quality care at lower costs. In Turkey, the average cost of a dental crown can range from A150 to A300 per tooth. This significant difference in price compared to Europe can be attributed to the lower cost of living and labor in Turkey, as well as the favorable exchange rate for foreign visitors. Comparing dental crown prices. When comparing dental crown prices in Europe and Turkey, it is clear that Turkey offers a much more cost-effective option for those seeking dental treatment. The savings can be substantial, especially for those in need of multiple dental crowns or other dental treatments. However, it is important to note that price should not be the only factor to consider when choosing where to get your dental treatment. The quality of care, expertise of the dental professionals, and the materials used for the dental crowns are also important factors to consider. In Turkey, many dental clinics and hospitals offer high-quality care with experienced dentists who are trained in the latest dental techniques. Additionally, many clinics use state-of-the-art technology and high-quality materials for dental crowns, ensuring the longevity and durability of the treatment. Conclusion. In conclusion, when comparing dental crown prices in Europe and Turkey, it is clear that Turkey offers a more affordable option for those in need of dental treatment. The lower cost of living and labor in Turkey, as well as the high-quality care available, make it an attractive destination for dental tourism. However, it is important to research and review the dental clinics and professionals in Turkey to ensure that you are receiving the best care possible. By weighing the cost, quality of care, and expertise of the dental professionals, you can make an informed decision about where to get your dental crowns and other treatments.